no upfront design. That's a famous Agile slogan, and perhaps a controversial one. I'd like to reflect for a few moments of no upfront design, what it means from the perspective of embracing change. Now, perhaps in design can be seen as an investment. You might think at the start of a long development project, you invest time in design which will be repaid over throughout the lifetime of the development of the project. And yes, that may well be true. The problem you've got is, if you really don't understand what's going to happen, if you have to embrace change, there may be change coming, actually that investment may prove not to be so wise. Because if you can't see the future, if you can't understand and plan out the entire lifetime of the project, then you might invest far too much on something which turns out to be actually irrelevant, or which changes in the future make irrelevant. So, in an agile process, typically design should arise out of development, naturally from it, rather than being isolated and an independent activity on itself, set aside. It should arise naturally as part of development. Now that means, it might seem a bit unusual to some if we've never been there, but the planning consists just of planning. You just plan. You don't do large amounts of upfront design. You do the design which is justified by the limited timescale you can see, which is quite a distinctive difference from less agile approaches.